Are you getting annoyed by the Grooveutil Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. As we look at the manual steps for Grooveutil Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Grooveutil Library, the Groove Utility Library. Originally part of Microsoft Groove, it now serves as a localized synchronization helper for legacy OneDrive for Business, Groove.exe. It manages localized file state comparisons and localized cache cleanup routines. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because Grooveutil Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Grooveutil library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. A vital technical reminder: modifying Grooveutil Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Grooveutil Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Grooveutil Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.